We've just acquired this Volvo diesel. It's the XC90 Executive Edition. It's fully loaded, in lovely condition. It's just literally arrived. It's got the running boards on it. Paintwork's in lovely condition. It's got the rear privacy glass. It's a four-wheel drive. 7 seats in the back. It's got the rear entertainment. You'd have to get your own headphones. As you can see, you can have a seat up or seat down, however you want the configuration to be in the back. Electric windows, electric mirrors, power fold mirrors. You've got electric memory seats, heated seats, ventilated seats, full leather interior. It's an 878 miles. Got the factory satellite navigation, Bluetooth, heated seats. Rear aircon, bliss, power folding mirrors there. Satellite navigation, premium sound. It's just got everything. Cruise control. At DJH offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07 503 751 005. Thank you.